Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today we are working on day 11 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series, and we are going to hunt down day 11 in the Advent Calendar, and it's a big door this time. Ooh, this looks like it's going to be an embossing folder. Cool. And yes, I just bumped the camera. Oopsie. And here we go. Oh, look, it has a little tack on it to help it pull it out from the adhesive. That's really cool. That's a nice geometric embossing folder. That's super cool. This is what it looks like with white cardstock inside of it. I just kind of wanted to get a feel for if it left harsh lines on the edges, and it does not. So that's super cool. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to emboss this with the embossing folder, this panel of yellow, and we're going to do it 2 wide. So we're going to spritz it with water off camera really quick, just so that when we emboss it, it won't break the cardstock, because I noticed that white piece that I ran through, it kind of started to rip it a little bit. But we're going to line it up really quick, and since it's nice straight lines with the geometric pattern, it's going to make it nice and easy to line up. And there we go. I just realized when I was looking at the video that I should have flipped it the other direction, because if you see, it's like matching, the pattern's matching in the middle. Oh well. Nobody's going to notice once I'm done with it, because it's going to have a sentiment over the top of it, but I just didn't think about it when I put it in there. I just kind of moved the folder over, and I should have flipped the folder around to like continue the pattern basically. So what we're going to do is I have that white cardstock panel that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, or no, it's 4 by 5 1/4, sorry. It's a layer for a card. And so we are going to use our anti-static powder tool, and then we are going to use the embossing ink and the Versamark embossing ink, and we are going to do it on 2 corners. Initially, I couldn't remember how big that flower was, and I wanted to do it on all 4 corners, but the flower is too big to do on all 4 corners, and we have Lindy's white embossing powder, which I love that stuff. It's brand new. I just opened it for this. And what I did with this was I cut the sentiment out of holographic cardstock, Erin Lee Creative, and I love her metallic cardstock so much. So I die cut it out of the holographic cardstock, and then there were some little fuzzies on the back, so I took a buffing pad from basically the same thing you'd get your nails done with, and I just buffed off the little fuzzies. And now we are going to pop that embossed panel up with some foam tape, and that's my big giant roll of foam tape. And we're going to pop that up. I should have put 3 strips wide of the foam tape on there, because when I went to attach the sentiment on top of there, it was kind of floppy, and I didn't appreciate that, but that's what I get for trying to speed the process along. I didn't put a center strip of cardstock in there. And I'm just kind of lining it up over, it is covering up the flowers a little bit, but we are just going to do that, and then we're not putting any foam tape on the back of the sentiment. We're just going to center it on there and cover up that line where the pattern kind of looks weird in my opinion. But here's the finished product. Let me know in the comments below how you would use this embossing folder. Thanks for watching. See you again tomorrow. Bye!